Hey guys, so I'm making a meal time, and yeah, because my owl was sleeping because it's tired. Someone's doing it in the background, so that's nice. And I'm doing a mail time. I'm just gonna call it my 10th mail time. So thank you for being here and watching this. And I only have like 29 gifts, but that's okay. So let's start. I won this from a giveaway, so it's like a program. More that too. Okay.
She's eating popcorn, guys. Just so you know, that's why she's.
I'm almost done.
Sounds
Okay.
weird.
So this one's from Kiana85. She got me a neon spike collar, thank you. This one's from Lizzie Bites, and she said, "Why not?" And sent me a original fancy top hat. I had some stuff ready. My sister's pooping. Okay. Moon 786 sent me a guinea pig face. And sent me a rare skinny lamp. Not like an obese lamp.
Oh, earlier. That's the
obese. And then Queen Cupcake 42 said, really now? Yes, really now. Did you send me one of those flat couches? Sandstar 221 sent me
21
a witch hat. ATY333 said good night. And sent me a Venus hat. Thank you. Suma Chans sent me a Konichiwa. Said Konichiwa. I sent me a jelly spin collar. Toas said hope. And sent me a lucky pillow. Thank you for a lucky pillow. And then Princess Bunny MPV said gift back or I'm reporting. You sent me a Galami scarf. Thank you for reporting me. And Rita 54321 said here you go. Sent me a jolly elf hat. All look like bookstores. Okay. Crazy Dog Star. They sent me a Freedom Spring Flower Crown, thank you. And favorite one, HDD123 said yeet yeet.
Yay!
And sent me Ferocious Feline Pulse.
Yeet.
That looks like a dead beta.
Yeet.
No.
Yeet.
Clothing beta, not dead beta.
Ooh, release that.
And so these other two.
Alright, guys, I'm
Also,
feeling hyper right
from
now.
Crazy Dog Star, she sent me a rare woven hat and rocker boots. Thank you. I have rocker mohawk. Yeah, go nice with that. Okay. Nothing happened. Okay. Hello, 324 is awesome. Said here, and they sent me rare monster teeth. Thank you. Cloudy Rainbow said gift back, please. I already did that way. Sent me a pirate hat. Thank you. The XX Kawaii XX Sammy sent me a rare clover tie. Broken Hearts. Who I also want get clothing beta from and giveaway. Sent me a warm blanket. Thank you for giving me that giveaway. Stop. Okay. Hello guys, sorry. Anyways, that person sounded like drunk. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, that was a drunk person. Anyways, Cottontail598 said hi and sent me a clover balloon. Thank you. Then we have multiple gifts from Cosmic Woods. Sorry for the interruption again.
I'm sorry if it sounds sick.
Sorry for the interruption. My sister's being a nasty person here. Okay.
She was singing
are going to attempt to proceed.
And that guy singing.
Can you be quiet?
Potato flew around.
Can
the
you be quiet?
room.
Okay, can you be quiet?
I'm sorry if
Quiet.
it sounded
Can you be
sick.
quiet?
You not know that song.
here at the moment.
Okay,
I
continue.
am trying to do my mail time in peace. Oh gosh. Okay, this person said 9 yeets. I already know that because I messaged them. And these are from Comic Woods, by the way. Rare heart locket. More yeets and a rare turquoise necklace. More yeets and a vampire mask. And more yeets and rare Jamal Day angel wings. And I will one last yeet and Juno's armor. Thank you for all those gifts, Comic Woods. And this next gift is from MGR327, and they sent me an ancient spiked collar. Thank you. And then UK Wildcats 06 said, hi, please gift back. Which I already did, because I do right away, and they sent me a rare fox hat. Yecker said, any spare spikes? No, I really don't. And thank you for that rare heart skull helmet. Last gift is from Sockstone 2014. And they sent me a rare Team Diary pack. Thank you. What else is doing on? Nope. Okay, that's not a surprise. And that's all the gifts for today. So thank you very much for gifting me.
And make sure to...
This was weird.
Oh, pretty.
So, yeah, thank you for watching this. And make sure you like and subscribe. And sorry about the obnoxiousness because my sister is mentally and having a problem. So she needs to go to the doctor. So yeah, she is going to the doctor at 12 tomorrow. Don't worry, guys. Okay, she has an appointment. So yeah, sorry about that. She's gonna get herself taken care of. She's probably gonna die anyways, but I don't care. So yeah, won't have that distraction anymore. So yeah, happy to tell you that. Anyways, thank you for watching this. If you made this far, because it's very annoying. Anyways, yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. And I only have 12 subscribers right now. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this Mailtime. And thank you for everybody who gifted me. And basically, that's it right now. So, like,